Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will solve some more questions related to exercise 5A. I have already discussed with you question number 1, 3 and 5, and I hope that you have done or you have tried to solve. You have tried to solve question number 2, 4, 6, 7 up to 7, right? So today we will start from question number 8. Just be aware of whatever the concepts are being discussed in today's video. Make sure you are just ready with pen and paper, pen and copy, because it is very much important to learn the things and as well as write it down, so that the whole process will be togetherly solved. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So now let's just start our journey by looking at question number 8. The two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio, that is comparison. Right, comparison of two quantities are called ratio, right? So that is coming under 5:7. Find the measure of all the angles. So again, one parallelogram A, B, C, D, and the two adjacent angles. Now we have understood about what is exactly adjacent angle called. These two angles, let's see. So that is coming under 5:7. So we cannot write 5 and 7 over here, because that is coming under some comparison. So that means 5x is to 7x. That is the actual thing, right? When we want to write down in separate form, we have to put x and x, because we don't know the value of exact things what is gonna happening, but we know that whatever it will be multiplied with 5, it should be multiplied with 7. So that's why we have put x over here. So that is the criteria, 5x and 7x, and the same process will repeat once again. Let's just find out. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, and then angle A equal to 5x and angle B equal to 7x, right? Then to find angle A, comma angle B, comma angle C, comma angle D, right? Solution. We know that angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. Same thing, nothing else. Co-interior angle, and then angle A is what? 5x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. So that will become 12x, 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree by 12. Put imply sign, right? So what is this? The answer is 15. Okay, the answer is 15, right? So 15 into 12 is 180. So therefore x equal to 12, right? So therefore angle A equal to 5x equal to 12 into 5, that is 60 degree, which is equal to angle C, because we know that opposite angles are equal, and angle B equal to 7x, that is equal to 7 into 12, which is gonna be 84 degree, which is equal to angle D. And write the reasoning over here. Since opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Just write this one. Alright, so therefore angle A equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to 84 degree, right? 84 degree. Did I make any sort of mistake over here? 12 and 60. Any sort of mistake? Did you find out? 15 into 150 and then 180. It's x equal to 15. No. X equal to 15. X equal to 15. That I have found out. All right. So 15 into 5 is 75. Okay. And 7 into 15 is 105. There is a short mistake that I did, right? So also teachers can teachers can do also mistake, right? All right, so nobody is perfect, that is also the proof. So 75 degree, then 105 degree. If I want, then I can edit this part also, but I want to show you that teachers also can make mistake. There is no other way to prove it out by actually showing it, right? All right, so angle A equal to 75, angle B equal to 105, angle C equal to again 75, and angle D equal to 105 degree. All right, so that means if you just find it out that whether the answer is correct or not, just simply add this two, angle A plus angle B, that should be equal to 180 degree. So 75 plus 105 is 180 degree, and 75 plus 105 is also 180 degree for angle C and angle D. So that's all for question number 8. So let's just move on to our next question. All right, so let's just move on to question number 12. Find the values of A, B, C and D given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So in this case, ABCD is a parallelogram which is being given, and we have to find out the values of A, B, C and D, right? Now simply you just see this line that is AC, and it is extending, right? Like this way, extending. It makes one gap over here, right? So where the one portion is 140 degree and another portion is C. So if I just complete this part, it is actually making 180 degree. That is the protected part, I have told you, right? So that means togetherly they are forming 180 degree. And what is the property that is associated for this types of situation? Linear pair. All right, so in the solution part, let me just start. Given, which one is given? That is in the figure, this portion. Let's say I have just created O over here. So angle AOB equal to 115 degree, right? And then OBC equal to 50 degree, that much. And DC, and let me just create one more thing. Let's say E. So DCE equal to 140 degree. Hypothetically, I have named these two points, right? So then to find A, B, C and D, solution. The first one that we have proved, that is this part which is creating 180 degree. So we can write like angle DCE plus C equal to 180 degree. And what is the reasoning? Linear pair. Make sure you have to write the reasoning also, because without reasoning we cannot assign this as true. So C equal to basically 40 degree, 180 minus 40, that is C. Now in this case, this is the situation, the cross, the diagonals, the one angle is equal to another angle. This is what type of property? We know that vertically opposite angle. In the parallelism video I have already discussed this thing. So that means now A equal to angle AOB, which is equal to 115 degree by vertically opposite angle. Done. Then you just see this ODC, these are forming one triangle. This one forming one triangle, no? ODC forming one triangle, and we know that the internal sum of triangle is 180 degree. So now therefore A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, angle sum property. So we need to find B. A is given, A is 115 degree, plus B plus C is also given, that is 40 degree, equal to 180 degree. So now we can easily able to find out what is B. So B is nothing but 180 degree minus 155 degree, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to how much? 25. This is equal to 25 degree. So that means B equal to 25 degree. Is it clear? Alright, fine. So B equal to 25 degree we can find out. Last but not the least, that is the D. The D is very simple. These two lines are parallel. This is the shape of parallelogram. So this is what? This is transversal. Transversal, that is N part, and this angle is equal to this angle by alternate interior angle. Same process, 50 degree, that is equal to D, which is alternate interior. So therefore D equal to angle, which one? D equal to angle OBC. How? Alternate interior angle. Right? So therefore A equal to how much? I have A equal to 115, B equal to 25, C equal to 40 degree, and last but not the least D equal to how much? D equal to 50 degree implies. So D equal to 50 degree. So that's all for question number 12. I hope that this process is much more clear to you. I have break down the diagrams also to make you feel comfortable, to make you understand a little bit more, much more better. So that's all for question number 12. Last but not the least, I will solve one more question, and the rest of the things you will do in your home. So now let's just understand the last question of today's video. That is ABCD is a parallelogram. CE bisects angle A and AF bisects angle A. C bisects angle C and AF bisects angle A. In each of the following, if the statement is proved, give reasons. Angle A equal to angle C, that is the first question. Angle CEB equal to angle AFAB and CE parallel to AF. That's all, right? So here it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram and CE bisects angle A. What does this mean? So if this is the condition, let's say A, B, C, D. If the statement looks like BD bisects angle B, BD bisects angle B in total, so that means BD it creates equal distribution in both the portions. Equal distribution means what? This angle is equal to this angle. That is the case. Bisection means when the line is bisecting the angle, that means that line is creating two equal parts of the angle. Something like this one. This portion is equal to this portion. Like that way, if I just create one angle over here, this one and this one. So this gap is equal to this gap. That's it. Alright. So in this case, angle CE bisects angle C. CE bisects angle C, that means this portion is equal to this portion, and AF bisects angle A, that is this portion equal to this portion. That's it. Alright, fine. So now in this case, the first statement, if you just see ABCD is a parallelogram, so that means in a parallelogram we know that opposite angles are equal. So the first solution will be first one, since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore opposite angles are equal. Therefore angle A equal to angle C. No problem. Now question number 2, that is angle CEB equal to FAB. CEB, this one, equal to FAB, this one. These two that I need to prove that whether these two are equal or not, right? So that is the question. So how will I do it? How will I do it? That is the question. Now just see. Alright, I know that angle A equal to angle C. So angle A togetherly, that is equal to angle C. So in this position, there is one thing that that the question is saying that these two angles are also equal, the two gaps. First one is this one, the whole angle is equal to this angle. Okay, now the question is saying that this line, because of this line, these two gaps are equal to each other, this one and this one, and like for this gap, because of this line, these two gaps are equal to each other and the whole angle is equal to each other. So now see, if you have two cakes which are exactly same, right? If I just make the two equal parts, these two parts and these two parts, will this part is equal to this part or not? Or you can say this part is equal to this part or not? Absolutely, right? So that means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, and or you can say all the angles are equal to each other. Is it clear or not? I hope now it is clear. So that forms, why I am telling this, because you just see angle DAF equal to angle FAE, that is equal to angle ECF, and that is equal to angle ECB. Now in this case there are two lines which are parallel and there is one transversal. If you just see, there is one transversal, or this is also one transversal, right? Our motive is to create this angle that is equal to this angle. So if I just take this portion DC and EB, DC and EB, so if I just make one figure for you over here, let's see, DC and EB, there is one transversal which is this one, DC and EB, there is one transversal, that is this one. So if you just see, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Alternate interior angle. So that means this angle is equal to this angle because of alternate interior angle. So now what should I write? Angle FCE equal to angle CEB. FCE equal to CEB. Why? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, or FCE or CECF both are same. FCE and ECF both are same. So that means these two angles are equal. So if you just see, in the whole portion ECF is there and that is equal to CEB. So that means completely we can understand that FAB, where is FAB? FAB is where? FAB. So FAB we can write FAE and FAB both are same because we are creating this portion. FAE and FAB both are same thing. Because of the question I am taking FAB. If I just write FAE, that is also same. So FAB, I just replace FAB, that is equal to CEB because ECF equal to CEB and FAB equal to ECF. So that means these two portions are absolutely equal. Therefore FAB equal to CEB. Using this one as 1 and 2. Write down using 1 and 2. Done. Last but not the least, that is the third portion. Since FAB equal to CEB, these two are equal, no? So it is showing like something like these two lines and there is one transversal. This angle is equal to this angle. It actually reminds us of which type of property? That is corresponding angle. So if corresponding angles are equal, that means lines are parallel. If corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. That is a vice versa statement. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal, and if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. So that means FAB equal to CEB, which is corresponding angle, which are corresponding angles. Therefore CAF parallel to CE. Let me just summarize this one, because through angles some people or some students might get confused, right? So in the first process, what we have did, ABCD is a parallelogram, so that means we know that opposite angles are equal, angle A equal to angle C, simple. But in the case of question number 2, what we just did, first of all, we just represent that two angles are equal, angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles, right? These two are equal, we have proved it. Now it is given that the two gaps are also equal because of bisection, so through this portion, through this example, that is, two cakes are absolutely same. If I just divide this two cake into two equal parts, then the first cake, from the first cake, the first portion, it should be equal to the another portion of the second cake, that we know that. So the same thing is happening over here. So I have written this condition that angle DAF equal to FAB equal to ECF and angle ECB. So now after that, what I just did, DC this side, that is, and EB this side, that is parallel to each other because of parallelogram, and there is one transversal over here, so that means two angles are absolutely same, that is alternate interior angle. I have written this one, CEB, FAB. So in both the cases, if you just see, CEB and CEB is equal to ECF. ECF is over here, ECF is over here, CEB is over here, FAB is over here, which is the question. So that means by using 1 and 2, we can easily conclude that FAB equal to CEB. There is the second portion. I hope now it is clear. After that, what I just did, that since FAB equal to CEB, that is the condition, since these two angles are equal, which is exactly same like corresponding angles, and because of corresponding angles, we know that the lines are parallel. That is the vice versa condition, right? First, we can create parallel lines, and we just shown that these two angles are equal because of corresponding angle. But if it is given that the corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel, which I just did. Since FAB equal to CEB, which are corresponding angles, therefore AF equal parallel to CE. So I hope now question number 14 is clear to all of you. If you found any sort of doubt, still you just contact me, right? I will ensure that I'll make your confusion clear, right? So that's all for this video. I hope you have learned something new. The concepts are being mixed up with each other. There are plenty of things that you need to know as well when you just approach different questions from the book, outside the book. I highly recommend you to do much more questions as much as you can. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.